besides the coyote. But we're about halfway up where we need to be. We're gonna try to get up there and get on some bugles right away before any other hunters try to beat us to it. Got a rookie here. But he's gonna enjoy today. We're gonna need him today, backing out. Here goes nothing. Might be a little bright here, but we made it up in here. Haven't heard a bugle yet. Just waiting. We're expecting a side by side to come down the trail any fucking minute. But it's good morning. Got a good wind. Just need these boys to wake up. Can't see nothing. Fired our first bull. We're going in after him. Just had some hunters drive by. I'm sure they heard him too. Oh, here we go. Day 2. It's been kind of a slow second day. Heard one bugle this morning. Spotted another bull, took off after him, and just couldn't locate him again. So we're all kind of just checking some new area, doing a little driving around. Don't have anybody with me now. I dropped them off on a spot that I've always thought was pretty good. And they're walking from basically one road to the next. So I'm just coming back up and gonna pick them up. Haven't heard a gunshot yet. It'd be cool too, but just haven't yet. It's getting tougher, a lot more pressure. Elk have moved somewhere else. But we'll get on them again, hopefully. So stick with us here. We're gonna keep after it. Well, we went back, regrouped. Now we're out in a new area looking for elk. Seen a lot of sign in here. We come through here earlier today. Haven't hunted this spot yet, but we're going to come back in here this evening, do some listening, maybe a little calling. See if we can't locate a bull for the evening, so we can go home. Look at this guy, just peekabooing me. But she's pretty thick. Dude, it was quick. It was quick. But
grinded hard.
We bailed out as quick as we could. I didn't even have time to film. Shit. But my man dumped one. You guys ready to walk up there and check him out, and then we can come back and get our gear?
Yeah, I'm shaking like a leaf.
Let's go, bud. Dude, I didn't see the smaller one. I just did me calling help you stop him?
Yeah, he kind of started to move. Not quick though. Oh, start appearing.
Right where?
Pull down. Right there, you can see the tips of the horn.
Oh, dude. Dude.
Still kicking, hold on.
Congrats, brother. Dude, that's a good 6 point. How was that experience for you?
Oh, that was good, dude. That was the greatest thing ever. I'm still
We
shaking.
ain't got to work that hard either.
Oh, the road's right there.
Public land, we're right by the road.
Finally got her done. And 2 5-mile days walking.
Oh yeah, we've been busting butt.
Uphill, downhill. Bad luck. A lot.
I say we'll get all of our gear after we look at it and get some good pictures.
Yeah.
Then we'll
We're gonna be working into the dark now.
get him quartered out and thrown in the pickup.
Oh, dude.
Guess what we're having for supper?
Elk heart.
Elk heart and taters. These boys have never had elk heart.
These guys are swimming in the creek.
Oh,
too.
yeah. No, he's not.
No, it's got to be a 7. It's got to at least have 14.
You might.
Take a peek up there.
He's done now.
Dude. Bull down, buddy. Hope that's everything you waited for, bud.
First shot was a money shot.
Yeah, you 10-ringed him first shot.
Yeah.
Actually, no problem. There's a meter.
Heading out. Oh. Got her whipped. Ooh.